to take all these understandings, all this work that you'd done, and you went and you presented, and I was blown away by how confident you were and how well you presented. I mean, you were just, it was amazing. I mean, and that sort of sold me on OSR right there.
I think that anybody who doesn't know about OSR should definitely check into it. It's something that I talk to the other people in my classes about. It's gives us opportunities we wouldn't normally have. I get to spend a lot of time doing something that I really like. I never would have known. I'm a mechanical engineering major, so spending a ton of time in a chemistry lab isn't something people in our discipline do. It's a lot of stuff that is a great opportunity on any campus, but with the small campus we have, you get to work so much more directly with some really great professors.
Through research that IUPUC has allowed me to pursue is I was able, through the Holocaust Museum in Washington, D.C., I was able to get someone to direct me to a link where I can get phone numbers from 1939 through the war, and I could maybe find out who that Jewish family was, who that young daughter, who their daughter was, that my mother and my grandmother tried to hide. So it's those type of stories that absolutely need to be told. How do I tell them?
We're really grateful here at IUPUC to have the OSR, which really allows students, I think, to have a sense of independence and ownership over a project. Sometimes students will have the opportunity to conduct research in a classroom setting, perhaps doing a literature review, or in psychology we have the capstone project where students are doing their own research. But I think OSR really allows students to conduct their own project from beginning to end.
There was a big reason why I needed the OSR. I applied because last year I actually went to the American Chemical Society conference and I helped Dr. Mendez with a symposium. And so this year I'll be going to present this research. I started working with Dr. Mendez in the chemistry lab last year, and this project is actually a continuation of a project that was started. And so whenever the student who was doing this research graduated, I wanted to pick up where she left off.
The Office of Student Research was created in order to allow students to engage in significant, meaningful research and mentorship with faculty at IUPUC. And what's really great about the OSR is that we are a relatively small campus. And so the students are working directly with faculty members who have active research agendas. And so these faculty members are able to work with the students and bring them into sometimes existing faculty research projects, or they're able to spearhead and mentor research that the student has identified as an important area to work in.